Hi Ray, I'll just do a quick demonstration of a couple of things that I'm about to brief in. So the first one is, um, uh, let's say my cursor is here and I want to get over to the Flinders Ranges marker in the middle of the map there. When I move across, I'll try again. Okay, sorry, I wasn't clicked on the map. So when I move across, I just quickly sped across those two markers there and it activated this pop-up. So all I need to do is sort of fly past them. So what I'm suggesting in the brief coming up is to add a half a second delay to the grey markers only. I'd like to have, because what's happening is people might want to get to the Kakadu marker there, but they're finding it difficult with all of these other ones popping up. And while I still want people to see these pop-ups, they're not as important as the demo pop-up. So the demo pop-up or the blue marker pop-ups stay the same timing, but the grey markers have a half-second delay before popping up. The other issue that I need to talk about is there seems to be a halo around the pop-ups. So perhaps if I get to this one, if I'm to get to that one there, it's not activating. So it seems to be right around the pop-up, and it does become problematic for users in testing. Let's say they were on let's say they wanted to look at that one there. They can't. So the off state for these markers should be basically nothing. Like from the very edge of the pop-up, these should be active if moused over for half a second, etc. So hopefully that explains that. I'll brief it in now in words and hand it over to you. Thanks, Ray.